Hey guys, welcome back. In the last few sessions, we have worked on the account services. Now let's go and push this account services to the GitHub. Actually, I haven't pushed yet, so let me push this account services to the GitHub. So let me go to this working directory where we have this account services project. It's there actually. To the Explorer, so you can see we have the account services under the banking section. So let me go here and CMD, go to the CMD. So it will open a command drop. Now let me check the status, Git status. So, so it should track the account services actually. Okay. So now we have the account services. You can see. So we have the account services. So let's add the account services now. Now let's add this account services to the Git. This is untracked files. So these are the untracked files. So these are the untracked files. We need to track. We need to add it to the Git so that the Git will be tracking all these files. Okay. So we'll be using Git add command and we'll be adding all these account services related files actually. Just copy it and paste it for you. So it will add all the account services related details to the Git. So now I'll commit this changes, git commit hyphen m. I'll say added new microservice, which is account service. Okay. Now we have added these files actually, 11 files we have added. Okay. Now once we add it, now what you have to do, you have to push these. Okay. So we'll be pushing this, changes to the remote repository. Now I'll be getting a prompt like which Git repository I have to push it actually. I have two GitHub accounts actually. So it should ask me like where to push it actually before pushing it. So I'll be getting a prompt. Yeah, I got a prompt. As I said, I have the two uh, uh, GitHub accounts actually. I'll be using NSK Soft Solutions and continue. So now this will continue with the NSK Soft Solutions and will push the changes to the NSK Soft Solutions. Okay. So now we have pushed our changes to the local feature customer service to remote feature customer service. Now let's go to the GitHub and let's go to the GitHub. Here you can check for the repository called backing repos actually. So let me check here repositories. Listing the repositories, 1 minute. And we have repositories. Here you can see banking repo. So let's click on the banking repo. So we are in main branch. Now we have the changes in the, our feature customer service. Okay, let's go to the feature customer service. Okay, in feature customer service, we have, recently pushed the account services to the feature customer service branch. Actually, you can see that 1 minute ago, we have pushed these changes actually. Okay, so fine. So we have pushed these changes. Now, what we will do is we will be working on the add account actually. We'll be finishing the add account. So then in the next session, we'll be running this application. We'll be running this application. So yeah, let's complete the add account first. So here we have written the valid customer details. Now we have to save the customer details. We have to save. We have the valid customer. Like if the customer ID is valid, so then we will be saying that so the customer ID is valid, and we will be going with the proceeding with the adding the account details actually. Creating account for the customer. Okay. Mm. Okay, so we'll be writing this one. I'll be writing a simple, logger. So, okay, validated the customer with the customer ID, the customer ID proceeding for account creation, proceeding for account creation. So this is what it is telling. So now here we'll be giving the account details. So let's minimize this one. So I'll say account.get customer details. We'll be getting the customer details. So now after this, what you have to do is you have to save the account actually. In order to save the account, we should be having the account repository, but we haven't created the account repository yet. Okay, what we have to do is we have to create an account repository in the repos folder actually. So we go here, source my Java. So here you can see we have domain DTOs and services. So we have to create one more package. So it's to be section. That was inside this repo. We have to create a interface section. Okay. So we have created the account services repository interface. Now this account service repository interface should extend the JPA repository to perform the JPA related transactions, like in creating the account, adding the creating the account, updating the account class, and deleting the account entries, and updating the account entries. We need to use this JPA repository. The JPA repository will be taking the what type of uh, uh, transactions it should perform actually, what type of operations it should perform, and what object it should perform. So you should give all those details over here. So we should give. So here we want to perform operations on this Pojo account, and there is in account class we have a primary called account ID, which is an integer type. Okay. So, integer type. Let's import this account as well. So now make this account service repository as one of the repository. Now it is acting as a repository now. So now here, now let's take this account service repository and inject this account service section. So here I'll be injecting it account service repository. So now let's import this account service repository. Imported the account service repository, make it as a private as well. Okay. And here, if you want to inject this account service repository into this account service, we'll be using the auto wiring feature actually. So using the auto wiring feature, it will be injected to the account service class, and whenever it is needed. Okay. So you can use this account service whenever it is, you can use the account service repository, you can add the account details. So now here, what you are doing is we saving the account details now. So here, our next task is, see here, we have validated the customer. So once the customer is valid, then what we are doing is we need to, create an account for the customer. So what I'll do is I'll be saying this way. So account services repository, save counter. So you'll be saving the account. Be saving the account. So you once you save the account, so you can able to return the account details as well. Let's return the account as well. Okay. It has something like this. File account created account. Created account. Now let's return this account. Return created account. So created account, and the route here we need to change. Okay, so we have like returned the account actually. We are saving the account details and we are returning back the same account details back to the service. Yes, some services will be getting into the controller. Okay, we haven't created the controller. Okay, in the next session, what I'll do is I'll be creating the controller. Okay, thank you for watching.